Check these out. Eggs scrambled with tortillas and fresh salsa. It's just one combo that I can't get enough for breakfast and breakfast for dinner. The crispy tortilla chips are what makes this dish awesome. Wait, what? Crispy tortillas instead of traditional corn tortillas? Yes, definitely a little different, I know. So first, I'm gonna crush the tortilla chips. You only need about half a cup, which is the equivalent of that last bit left in the bottom of the chip bag. No joke, that's basically how I came up with this recipe for the Taco Tuesday cookbook. So to this large pan, I'm gonna add some oil, and then I'm gonna saute the Pico de Gallo. Now, I love using fresh Pico de Gallo for this recipe, but you could use regular salsa if that's what you have on hand. So in this bowl, I'm going to whisk my eggs. So now the onions are soft and the tomatoes have cooked down a little. I'm gonna add my eggs to the pan. Next, we add those crushed tortilla chips and give all of this a stir. And the tortilla chips are going to soften up inside of our eggs and they're gonna absorb all that moisture. And finally, we just top this with cheese. We want the cheese and the chips to cook together with the eggs and the Pico de Gallo. Oh yeah. Now I've already warmed my tortillas, so now all we have to do is assemble it by scooping some of the eggs on top, sprinkle a little more cheese, some sliced avocado, and cilantro, of course. This is everything, you guys. Crunchy inside, soft, cheesy. The recipe and the Taco Tuesday cookbook details, as well as other mouth-watering taco videos right in the description box below. For more awesome recipes each and every single week, hit that red subscribe button. See you soon.